In the past lecture, we are talking about the somewhat formula that we have to directly use for the solving the example. Means there is no derivation in the NCERT textbook of this formula. You have to only remember this formula, and by using that formula you have to solve the example. So in this video, today we are discuss about how to solve the physics problems that are always given in the form of words. Means they most of are of the word problem. So here we are studying the strategy how to resolve such kind of word problem of the physics, as well as we are try to solve first example that is given in your textbook as a solve example. Okay, so first of all we try to understand whenever any kind of example is given, then what you have to do and what format you have to follow. Okay, so first of all you have to read the question step by step. Okay, for example here this question is that a concave mirror. So whenever you are reading, at that time you have to extract the main information that is given in the example. Okay, so here a concave mirror used for the rear view on the automobile. So here the useful information is what? Only mirror, and mirror its type, that is concave mirror. Okay, so what you have to do in your textbook, so look at this is your page. Okay, here you have to write down the solution of the example. So first of all what you have to do, you have to make the at medium one column. Okay, and here you have to write down the given data. Okay, and at the writing side you have to write down find out. Means here we are dividing our question into the two categories. What are the given data, means what are the given informations, and second thing, in the question what we have to find out, because whatever we are find out that we are only find out based on the given information. Okay, मैं तमने पूछो 3 3s are શું થશે અંદર, what is the 3 into 3, so you are saying 9. Why? Because 3 3s are is the information and the find out is what? It's multiplication. So in the same way you have to extract your question in this format. Okay, and whenever you are did this, then you have to then after try the solution. Okay, now what you have to think after doing this, whenever you are reading the question you have to write down the given data conveniently, as well as you have to write down find out what you have to find out. Okay, now from the find out you have to check that what you have to actually find out. Okay, whether you have to find out focal length, whether you have to find out image distance, object distance, or anything else. Okay, just recall the formula of that part. Okay, so whenever you recall the part, so you will remember any of the formula, then write down its formula at the side and check that in the formula all the variables are given or not. Okay, so if they are given, then your formula chosen is right, otherwise you have to try to the another formula. समझ पड़े છે એટલે સિમ્પલ ટેકનિક કે તમારામાં કરવાનું છે શું અંદર કે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ માં જે તમને ડેટા આપેલો છે એને તમે ખુદને પૂછો, ask yourself કે what is the equation that I have used so that I will got the answer. So તમને કોઈકને કોઈક ઇક્વેશન યાદ આવશે, write down that equation at here. Okay, and that equations માં જે પણ વેરિયેબલ્સ તમારે આપેલા છે એને given datas માં ચેક કરો કે whether they are given or not. Okay, if they are given, then you will solve the example. Okay, if they are not given, then you have to try to use another equation. તમારે બીજું equation use કરવું પડશે અંદર, બરાબર? જો આ રીતે કરશો તો there are some problem by solving the example. First is sir equation યાદ ના આવ્યો, એ તમારો problem અહીંયા કરી solve થશે, because every example જ્યારે તમે solve કરશો ત્યારે તમે ખુદને ask કરશો કે કયું equation છે, કયું equation છે, કયું equation છે, તેમ બધા તમારા equation revise થઈ જશે, અને revise થઈ જાય તમને બધા equation છે મોડે પણ થઈ જશે. બરાબર, અને તમે ખુદને પૂછશો તમને એ પણ ખબર પડવાની ચાલુ થઈ જશે કે at which time which equation is most preferable, એટલે કે કયા ટાઈમે કયું ઇક્વેશન વધારે પ્રેફર કરવાનું છે એનો પણ આઈડિયા કર્યો તમને શું થશે ધીરે ધીરે ડેવલપ થશે અંદર. ઓકે, આપણે આ એક્ઝામ્પલ આ જ સેમ ફોર્મેટ થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરીશું, બટ એક્ઝામ્પલ સ્ટાર્ટ કરીને પહેલા એક્ઝામ્પલનો જે રગ કહેવાય, નસ કહેવાય, એ પહેલા આપણે જાણી લઈએ અંદર. ઓકે, સો વી નો ધ બેઝિક ફોર્મ્યુલા ધેટ આર કમ ઇન આ ચેપ્ટર. ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ ધ what? Focal length. Focal length equal to what? Half of root r by 2. Okay, second formula is what? Mirror formula. So mirror formula is what? 1 upon v plus 1 upon u equal to 1 upon f. Okay, and another formula is what? Magnification. Magnification equal to what? H dash by h, image height divided by object height. Otherwise another equation v by u, but here sign is what? Minus. Recall that there is a minus sign. Okay, mirror formula માં minus sign કોઈ જગ્યાએ નથી, but in the magnification formula you will find out the minus sign in this equation. Okay, so these are the formula. Now whenever you are solving the example of the ray optic, then you must know the Cartesian rules. Okay, so we are know the Cartesian rule, but problem is arise that whenever their application is come. Okay, so we are using some shortcut trick. So first shortcut trick quickly આપણે રિવાઇઝ કરી લી અંદર, already આપણે past video માં ડિસ્કસ કરેલી છે અંદર. Okay, so whenever you have to take object distance, it will be always negative whether it's a lens or mirror. Okay, as well as object height, it always positive. So object નો તો problem solve થઈ ગયો આપણો. Okay, object distance always negative while object height is always positive, whatever the mirror, whatever the lens. Okay, next, if the formed image will be real, then the image distance and image height will be negative. બરાબર, તો રિયલ ઇમેજ હશે તો એના માટે આપણી જે ઇમેજ ડિસ્ટન્સ અને જે હાઇટ પર કેવા મળશે નેગેટિવ, બટ ફોર વર્ચ્યુઅલ they will be positive. Okay, and the third thing, for the concave mirror most parameters are negative. કેવું એટલે ખાડામાં પડી જાય એટલે કેવું કે ખરાબ કહેવાય એટલે નેગેટિવ, અને કોન્વેક્સ એટલે બહાર કાઢીએ તો સારું કર્યું કહેવાય. So we have to take all parameter regarding the what plus. Okay, so if you are using these strategies, you will find out somewhat very easiness in the solving the example. Okay, now let us take the example. So here there is an example is given. So how can we write down the given data and find out? Okay, so first of all start the reading. Remember that you have to does not read down all the question entirely at a time. You have to write down the read down the question step by step. For example, a concave mirror. So concave mirror is an information. So here I am write down type and it will be what? Concave mirror. Okay, sorry, convex mirror. Okay, so I am write down the type and the convex mirror. Here given data you can represent as per your convenience. એવું નથી જરૂર કે મેં જેવું લખું એવું તમે લખો, તમને સમજ પડે એ રીતે given data તમારે લખવાનો છે અંદર. Okay, second thing, used for the rear view on the automobile has a radius of curvature of 3.00 meter. 3.00 એટલે 3 જ કહેવાય અંદર. Okay, so another information is what? Radius of curvature. Now radius of curvature is represented by which symbol? Capital R. So I am write down capital R. Given data માં આપણે symbol થી represent કરીશું, because whenever we are using the formula, in the formula words are not given, the symbols are given. Okay, so radius of curvature equal to the what? 3 meter. So I am write down it as a 3 meter. Okay, next thing, if a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, એટલે કે બસ નું આપણને લોકેશન પ્રોવાઇડ કર્યું છે કે બસ is where it is 5 meter from the mirror. So bus here is considered as the object. Okay, so it will be considered as the what? U, that is object distance. So object distance equal to the what? 5 meter. Okay, 5.00 means 5 meter from this mirror. So find out the position, nature and the size of the image. Okay, so here you have to find out the position. Position is ultimately called V, image position. Image position આપણે શું કહીશું? અહીંયા આગળ V કહીશું. So V equal to question mark nature. Nature equal to question. Nature માં આપણે શું ડિસ્કસ કર્યું? Whether it's a real image or inverted image. એ આપણે એના નેચર્સ ની વાત કરવાની છે અંદર. And third is size of the image. Okay, so size is considered as the what? H dash image height. That is size of the image. So H dash equal to the what? Question mark. So in this way you have to write down the given data and here you have to write down the find out. Now forward this question. બરાબર, આ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં થાય છે શું કે તમે જ્યારે આ ક્વેશ્ચન એકવાર વાંચો એટલે આટલો મોટો ક્વેશ્ચન જોઈને મગજમાં કન્ફ્યુઝન થાય, એટલે તમે ક્વેશ્ચન ફરીવાર વાંચો. ટાઈમ તો આપણો જ બગડે છે, એક્ઝામિનરનો થોડી બગાડવાનો છે અંદર. બરાબર છે, જેને પેપર બનાવ્યો છે ટાઈમ આપણો બગડે છે. એટલે એના માટે સ્ટ્રેટેજી શું છે કે આ એક્ઝામ્પલનું એક કોમ્પ્રિહેન્સિવ પાર્ટ આપણે આગળ રેડી કરી. હવે જુઓ, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ વેરી શોર્ટ, તો આને રીડ કરવું ફાસ્ટ છે કમ્પેર ટુ ધીસ, અને અહીંથી ડિસિઝન લેવાનું પણ તમને કેવું પડશે? ઈઝી પડશે અંદર. समझ पड़े जाए सुधीनो पार्ट. ओके, नाउ फाइंड आउट पर फोकस करो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट? V means image distance. Okay, now focus on your mind, concentrate on your mind and say that what is the formula so that I will find the V. Okay, so I will find the two formula of the V. Okay, first is the mirror formula and second one is the magnification formula. But is there any information of magnification is given in this given data? No, so that's why I am not using this equation, but I am using first equation. Why? Because I have to find out. Okay, u already given, and f is does not provided, but from this formula I will easily get the f or not. Okay, so I am easily find out the what value of the v. Understood or not? Okay, so in this way, whenever you are solving the example, you have to think, you have to pressure your mind that think in this manner. જો તમે આની હેબિટ પાડી દેશો તો I am assured that you will be good in the physics example. તમે તમારા physics example એકદમ સરસ રીતે કરતા તમને આવડી જશે અંદર, અને તમારા જે ફિયર કરો એ આરામથી શું થઈ જશે, દૂર થઈ જશે અંદર. Okay, so v find કરવા માટે આપણો ડિસિઝન શું આવી ગયો? We have to use the mirror formula. Okay, so before the mirror formula I need the f. So first of all, what I will find out the f value. Okay, so what is the f value? Okay, so now we are first find out the focal length, because whenever we have to use the mirror formula, so at that time we have to use the first of all focal length. Okay, so f equal to the what? R by 2. R is already given in the question. Okay, so R equal to the what? 3 meter. Okay, so 3 divided by 2, you will be getting answer equal to what? 15, 1.5 meter. That is equal to 15 divided by 10. So 3s are 2s are. So you will got the answer equal to what? 3 by 2 meter. Okay, now you have to use the mirror formula. So write down, apply the mirror formula. Okay, so the mirror formula is what? 1 upon v plus 1 upon u equal to 1 upon f. Now you have to take u equal to. Okay, so whenever we are taking object distance, it will be always write down as a negative sign. So object distance is given what? 5 meter. So we have write down it equal to what? Minus 5, and f will be what? 3 by 2 meter, and that we are taking positive. Why? Because our given mirror is what? Convex mirror, and convex mirror having the two cases only, and in the all cases you will getting the answers what? Virtual image. Okay, so virtual image वाला parts खरा, અને એમાં તમારી જે focal length ખરી તમારી કેવી થશે? પોઝિટિવ થશે અંદર. Okay, so f will be equal to what? 3 by 2. Another way આપણો convex માટેના બધા પેરામીટર્સ શું પોઝિટિવ લેતા હતા. So that's why you write down f equal to the what? Plus 3 by 2. Now placing this value at here, so you are getting equal to the what? 1 upon v plus 1 upon minus 5 equal to 1 upon 3 by 2. So denominator of 2 come into the numerator. Okay, so making the question 1 upon vs, so 2 by 3 here, and minus plus minus, so right hand side શું થશે? પ્લસ થશે. so એ શું થશે? 1 upon 5 થાય કેટલા થાય અંદર? બરાબર. now take the LCM. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 divided by 5 3s are 15. so you will get answer equal to what? 13 divided by 15. but remember that it is not the answer of v, it is the reciprocal of v. You have to find out the v. So that's why what you have to do, that's why v equal to, you have to take the reciprocal, that is 15 divided by 30 meter. That is your answer. If you have the ability to divide, then divide, otherwise this is answer also right answer. Okay, now second thing, what we have to find out? Nature. We have to find out the nature, that we have to already write down in the find out column. Okay, so nature means what? Whether the image will be real or virtual. So it is the convex mirror. So convex mirror is always from virtual image. So you will easily write down that the nature of the image will be what? Virtual and erect. Okay, આ answers તમે ખાલી રે diagrams સાથે concepts કરા એના પરથી જ આપી શકો છો અંદર. Okay, so v equal to nature of the image will be what? Virtual and erect મળશે. and another thing તમારે શું find out? Size of the image. Okay, size of the image means ultimately you have to find out the h dash, but the problem is here that there is no object height is given. Okay, we have the v and u, but we does not have the what? Object height. So at that time you will define the size of the image in terms of the magnification. Okay, so here we will find out the magnification here. That's formula equal to what? H dash by h, otherwise minus v by u. But here h is not given, and h dash we also does not know. Okay, so we are using this magnification formula, m equal to minus v by u. Okay, now v equal to what? 15 by 13. Okay, so write down here is 15 by 13, and it will be positive. Why positive? Because virtual image are always giving what? Positive. Virtual image ના જે distance ખરા કેવા હશે? Positive હશે અંદર, બરાબર. અને u ખરો એ આપણો કેવો રહેવાનો? માઈનસ જ રહેવાનો, તો એટલે -5 જ આવવાનો. Now place this value માઇનસ સાઇન અહીંયા ગાય તમારો શું 15 ડિવાઇડ બાય 13 ઓકે into 1 upon minus 5 so this minus minus will become what plus 5 ones are and 5 threes are so you will got the magnification equal to what 3 by 13 and if you remembering the ray diagrams of the convex mirror you will find out that your image will be what small otherwise the diminished ઓકે તો તમે મેગ્નિફિકેશન એ જોઈ શકો છો લેસ ધેન 1 મળે છે એટલે કે ઓબ્જેક્ટ ની સાઈઝ કરતા કેવું મળે છે નાનું મળે છે અંદર બરાબર તો આપણું મેગ્નિફિકેશન નો આન્સર પણ શું છે વેલિડેટ છે અંદર so in this way you have to try to solve the example okay we are doing more and more practice of the another example of this chapter okay in the next video bye thank you